Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD 117. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create this pad. Okay, we need rectangle 156 and this 176. Okay, first we need to create a new sketch. Then we select XY plane. No. Delete. We need to select XZ plane. Then we create a rectangle. Make dimension 156 and 80. Okay, the sketch is fully constructed. Leave the sketch. Next, we need select pad command 176. Then we need to select symmetrical to play. Okay. Here, valid 1, no, 12 millimeter. Okay. Next here, 120 degrees. We need to select chamfer. Select this face. No chamfer. Draft. Degree 30 and then play display pole direction here, pole direction, play, select, delete. Okay. Next, we need to create this pad. We need to create a new sketch. First, we need to select this face, display, and create sketch on display. Yes. Sorry. Create arc. We need external geometry, the two edge, and create two line. Tangent construct. Okay, make dimension 68 and radial 20. Radial 28. Look. Okay, finish the sketch. we leave the sketch, close, and select pad command. Oh no, the sketch cancelled. Oh no. This line. Close. Pad. Remote. And the direction 80. Okay, good. We need to select this face and select pocket command. Up to face, select this face. Okay, nice. Next we need to create this 20mm and file. So select this plane and create new sketch. External geometry, this arc. The diameter is 20. Oh no, not 20. 14.4. 14.4. Close. Pad command. 5mm. Okay, nice. Next, we need to create this software and create new sketch. Select XY plane. Create a solid. Make dimension 14.4. Radial 18. 44. External geometry, this edge 32. Concentrate on this line. Okay, close the sketch. Pad command. Here, 23. Okay. Next, create this pocket 6. Select this plane and create new sketch on this plane. So 6, external geometry, these two arcs, and create a stop. Make dimension 6. Oh no. Concentrate on this line. Concentrate. Okay, leave the sketch. Pocket command. Select all. Nice. Next, we need to create this bow pocket. 13.8 and 6mm. So create a new sketch on XY plane. Then we create a rectangle from this. Constraint symmetrical and make dimension 38. Okay. Leave the sketch and the pocket remove 6 mm. 6. Okay, nice. Finally, we create 20. Select this plane and create new sketch. External geometry. Create 20. Close and the pocket command. Slow to first. Okay, nice. Next, we need fillet or this edge 3 mm. Yes, 3 mm. Select this edge and these two edge 3. Okay. This edge 3 mm. No. Delete. This edge. No. 2 mm. You see here. Wrong. Fillet. Two millimeter. Two millimeter. Fillet. Okay. No. Okay. Finish it. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.